If you know these 50 words, you can start speaking English today. How? Watch the video to the end and you'll find out. I gave you an explanation in this section about why you should watch this video. If there's anything you don't like, I'll answer your questions in the comments. And welcome to part 1. It is about 50 words. Yes, just 50. If you know these words, you can start speaking English fluently. Maybe it sounds strange. Maybe you think, how can only 50 words help me speak well? But trust me, they can. These are not big words. These are not hard words. These are the small words that people use every day. These words are the key. I remember when I first started learning English, I felt lost. I did not know what to say. I had many words in my mind, but I did not know how to use them. Then one day, my teacher said, "You don't need many words. You just need the right words." That changed everything for me. So today, I want to give you those words. I want to help you speak, think, and feel English. And I will do it with a story, a simple story, a story about how I used these words in my real life. So let me take you back to the beginning. When I was a child, I loved stories. I listened to them at night. I listened in the morning. I listened all day. But they were not in English. They were in my own language. One day, I heard a story in English. I did not understand it, but I liked the sound. The voice was soft. The words were warm. I wanted to understand. I wanted to feel that story in my heart. So I started to listen every day. I listened to short stories, songs, and small conversations. At first, it was hard. I could not catch the meaning, but there were some words that came again and again. Words like I, you, want, go, can, come, like, have, and need. I started to write them down. I said them out loud. I made little sentences. I said things like, I want water, you can come, or I like apples. These were small words, but they helped me a lot. Slowly, I saw a change. I could understand more. I could speak more. I was not scared anymore. These 50 words became my friends. I used them every day. I did not need big grammar rules. I just needed to use these words with care. One day, I met a tourist in my town. She was from Canada. She asked me, "Do you know where the market is?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I can show you." I was so happy. I spoke in English and she understood me. That was a big moment for me. After that, I started talking to more people. I used the same simple words. I did not try to sound smart. I just tried to speak from the heart. I said things like, I don't know. Can you help me? Where do you live? Or what do you want to eat? These are real questions, real answers. They are made with small words, but they build real English. My teacher was right. You don't need big words. You need useful words. Words that people use every day. So I made a list of 50. I learned how to use them. I practiced with my voice. I looked in the mirror and spoke to myself. I said, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine." "I like pizza." "I have a dog." "She is nice." Just small lines, but they gave me power. I started thinking in English. I stopped translating. I just used my 50 words to build my thoughts. It felt good. It felt simple. It felt real. I remember sitting in a park one day. A child ran up to me. He said something in English. I smiled and answered, "Hey." His mother looked surprised. "Oh, you speak English?" she asked. I said, a little. I'm learning. She said, your English is good. That made me proud. I had worked hard with my 50 words, and now they were working for me. I want you to feel the same. I want you to use these 50 words every day. Don't wait. Don't be shy. Speak them out loud. Say them while you walk. Say them before you sleep. Say them in your dreams. These words will become part of you. They are small, but they are strong. You can say almost anything with them. You can ask, answer, tell, share, and even dream in English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. And to speak, you need the right words. So, my friend, are you ready to start? Are you ready to learn these 50 words? I will help you. I will give them to you one by one, and I will tell you stories with them. We will go slow. We will go step by step. I will show you how I used each word. I will show you how you can use them too. You will see how powerful they are. You will feel strong. You will feel ready. You will speak English, and you will love it. Let's begin together. Just you, me, and the 50 words that will change your English forever. Now, let me tell you how I started with the first 10 words. I took a small notebook. I wrote these 10 words. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, am, is, are. These are not big words, but they are very strong. With them, I can start any sentence. I can say, I am happy. You are kind. He is my friend. She is a teacher. It is hot. We are ready. They are here. Just like that, I was building my first real English. I said these lines again and again. I closed my eyes and said them without reading. I said them in the morning. I said them at night. I wanted my mouth to feel them. I wanted my ears to hear them. I wanted my heart to believe them. I made a game with myself. I looked at people on the street and said, he is tall. She is fast. They are talking. I talked to myself in English every day. I did not care if people looked at me. I was learning. I was growing. After 1 week, I knew these 10 words very well. I did not forget them. They were part of my brain now. Then I added more words. I added want, like, need, go, come, get, make, do, have, know. These words helped me say what I feel and what I do. I said, I want food. You like tea. We need help. They go home. She comes here. He gets water. I make tea. You do work. We have books. They know me. These words are very useful. You can talk about many things with them. I made little stories. I said, I want to go to the park. She comes with me. We get ice cream. We like it. This is not a big story. It is very simple, but it is real. It is English. I could now talk about my day. I said, I wake up. I go to school. I eat food. I come home. I do homework. I sleep. These small lines made me happy. I was using my 50 words. I was not reading a big grammar book. I was not studying hard rules. I was just using the right words the right way. I remember one time I was in the shop. A woman dropped her bag. I picked it up and said, Here, you can take it. She smiled and said, Thank you. I said, You are welcome. That day, I felt like I could live in English. I did not need to think too much. I just spoke. I used my words. I used my voice. It felt like magic, but it was not magic. It was practice. It was love. It was joy. I want you to feel this joy too. I want you to know that these 50 words are more than enough to start. They open the door. They help you enter the world of English. I will tell you some more words. Now, these are words that help you ask and answer. Words like what, where, when, who, why, how, can, do, did, does. With these words, you can talk to people. You can ask them things. You can start a real talk. You can say, what is your name? Where do you live? When do you go? Who is that? Why are you sad? How do you know? Can you help me? Do you like this? Did you eat? Does she sing? These are real questions. These questions are important. I asked many questions when I was learning. I asked my teacher, my friends, and even myself. I asked, why do I need English? Then I said, because I want to grow. I asked, how can I speak better? Then I said, by using the words I know. These small words helped me think. They helped me feel. They helped me speak. I used to write one question every day. Then I answered it with my small words. I said, what do you like? Answer, I like music. Where do you go? Answer, I go to school. This was my daily practice. I loved it. It made me strong. It made me happy. Then I learned some time words. Words like now, today, yesterday, tomorrow. Always, never, sometimes, before, after, again. These words helped me talk about time. I said, I am tired now. Today I will read. Yesterday I watched a show. Tomorrow I will call you. I always drink water. I never eat fish. Sometimes I sing. I sleep before dinner. I play after school. I will try again. These are real sentences. These are real thoughts. I used them in my journal. I wrote about my day. I wrote about my plans. I did not try to write like a book. I just wrote like myself. I used my 50 words to say what I feel. Then I added some helper words, like this, that, these, those, very, more, all, every, any, no. These words help me show things and ideas. I said, this is good. That is my bag. These are nice. Those are old. I am very happy. I want more food. I ate all rice. Every day I walk. I don't want any help. No problem. These helper words made my English full. They made my English clear. And guess what? These are still part of my 50 words. This is part 1, my friend. I love you very much. Know that and never forget it. We'll see you in part 2. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.